And we are just about ready to get going as we take a look at the starting lineups. We'll be going with their assets right away. Might as well get yourselves off to a fiery start here. Next to our league. Later on, Zeus and PLDT get entangled. And here's the first serve in play. Oops, nagkabanggaan. Aga. Cobb sets up Laksina.
There you go, the urgency for Akari.
Right away, because if they fall behind too early by so many points, it's 3-1 right now. Too close to the net. There's a battle there. The set, Laksina hits it. Is it? It's inside, I think. Swing away. 8-4. 3 straight points by the Foxies. That will be 4 straight.
And with Dakis nga napag-usapan na.
She has 6 of the 9 so far of Akari in the opening set. Tubu is blocked, but it's blocked away in the Speros, hitting it out.
Did you see how fast yung palo ni Trisha Tubo?
Oh.
Just hitting the hands here. Face. Nakapantay na din.
Lumilipad.
Tapos kaliwete pa.
Yes. Princess Madrigal with that serve. That spike is handled calmly. Soyud stretching for it. Louis sets it up. The whip is handled well by the defense. It's in the air.
Another free ball.
Victoria will send it over. Tubo cross. Pwede, pero running out of space. Muntik na. Nice spike. But in play and it's hit out. That's perfectly delivered. Tawa lang sila ng tao. Kasi kung minsan alam ng setter ko anong gagawin. In the meantime, one hand on it that time. You just have to be lucky sometimes, and that created the 11th point.
Nice serve.
Nice set. And that created that opportunity.
And
Madrigal
again,
scores.
yes, and again, yun nga sa Foxies, wala masyang gumagalaw, walang aggressiveness for them. Na-check naman yung ball pero walang kumuha. Defended. Taas naman, oh.
Oo nga. And now, Juanco is their libero. There's Jack Janela. Maybe she can.
Single block.
And maybe Janela can do some inspiration here. Abellana is in the game for the first time. Back set. Tubo gets it to connect.
I love how fast her spikes.
Parang hindi siya nag-aantay, no?
Oo, tapos pati ko nakita yung kamay niya in this spike or farm fresh.
A little better energy, more scoring, better floor defense. Here comes the shot by Nisperos. She battles again. Muntik ng pumito pero tuloy tayo. And there's an open spot. That's 3 straight points coming from Farm Fresh.
Great point for Abellana there. Akala ko pipito yung second referee.
Dancing team ng Philippines. Ang galang sumayaw niyan eh.
Yes, Bibo.
Bibo. In the meantime, Gonzalez.
Yeah.
Yes sir, that'll work.
I knew it. Nakita mo yung pagkasa pa lang ni Bertolano. There was all power and she's been giving power.
Ito.
Yes.
Ito yung nakita mo. Oo nga. Mamaya uwi, may dalang school bag, gano'n, ano? Pero she looks really young. Sige, compute mo dyan.
2002. Young.
Sus. Wala pa, 22.
Oo.
Tubo! Right on target! Pipiestahin niya yan. Bibigyan ng bola yan. Laksina stretches for it. Soltones has been digging, not striking. One more time around the block!
Back-to-back point for 3.
Hindi, yung sa serve number 7.
Si Camille Cal.
Yan, tama tayo dyan. Yung isang pumasok number 4. In full swing!
Wow, Hazareno.
Linis yung sahig sa kabila.
I know. Mommy just
ang sarap ng feeling yan. Cruz says, dive kayo for the set. It's set point.
Nice serve.
Nisperos Pahalo. Trisha. Yes! Farm Fresh takes the second set. 25-23. And we are going at least 4 for this battle. What a battle. And hindi kumipap ang Farm Fresh. Hindi sila tumiklop.
Nice back row attack there from Trisha Tubo, mistiming the block kasi nga they don't want to strain it. Kasi nga 1 week pa lang siya nakabalik. Sabi ko, Arcoxa lang yan. Kayang-kaya ni Tubo yan.
And Tubo is right there in the middle as he digs it up. Bertolano has played so well to support Laksina. That's Bertolano again. Tubo changes her shot in mid-air. That's heaved over that time by Laksina. Here comes Bertolano. Oh, gets it to go.
Yes, for Bertolano.
F2 and LaSalle. That's why she said she's confident that the winning mentality is there. And she won't be giving up just yet. Just like what we saw at the tail end of set number 2. You even noted that she...
For free!
Ganun. Samantala, 8-2 po ang score. Regalo. And Tubo going bananas here. 14 points.
Bananas. And alam mo, keeping the faith?
Keep the faith lang
Keep
yata.
the faith.
Pero keeping the faith is not bad also. In the meantime, Tubo. Cal was there. That's going to stay in play. Bustrillo's shot. Here's Bertolano. Cal recycle.
One more. Nice up.
Ito, attack mode. Cal with one hand, second longest rally. Oh, it died in the water. Delary was unable to hoist it up.
Foxes.
Farm Fresh with a 6-point lead. If you watch the first set, it didn't seem like Farm Fresh would wake up, but they have. And Bertolano continues to score. She has 8 points.
I think si Bertolano, kung makakuha siya ng right approach, ganda ng kasa niya eh.
She needs time to load up. In the
Loading.
meantime, yep, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, hindi naman buffering. In the meantime, that is going to be scored upon by Victoria. She has 6 points of the 7. 6 points in total. So, diba?
Yes.
Hatawin ko na.
Tangkad ng blocker ko si Soyud.
Kung i-block, fine. Baka naman dumaplis nun.
Nice up. Inside. Single block for Trisha Tubo.
And Tubo now with 15 points. We are
Ang alam ko.
Soyud, block. Azarena gets out of the way.
Single block. Oh, but
Hindi na ibaon. Jonella just knows what's to do. That will count. And Esperos ends up sprawled on the floor and Tubo already with 16.
I think the carry blockers needs to adjust na. Alam mo yun. Katabi lang natin. Katabi lang natin.
And
that's
it's
it.
alive. Cobb made something happen there. Delario sets up Dakis. And Dakis got that to connect.
Yes. Forever, Dakis moved down the line. Ever since I was a rookie in UAAP. Nalala ko dati si Coach Roger. Sa FEU gym kami noon. Sabi niya, huwag niyong ipapascore si Dakis kasi guguho yung gym, yung FEU gym. Gumuho na nakascore. Gumuho na.
From taking a 2-1 lead here in this match.
Kala ko, puro si Coach Taka. Hindi. Kinuha niya lang yung iPad. Single block. Ay, ba't di niya pinalo?
Oo nga. Ewan ko. Tanong natin, ha?
Sige.
Dakis, Cobb.
Oh, no.
Regalo. Hindi na diinan. Cobb.
Wow.
Oh, great pick up that time by
Saan siya
Bertolano.
galing?
Ewan.
Doon siya bigla. Nagulat din ako.
Soyud. Look at Jack
Perfect.
Jonella. This could take forever, but no, wala namang forever.
Last Pilipinas faith.
Yung mga veterans, getting used to being pulled out during certain stretches. That is long, and we are done. If there's no challenge, we are done.
They're gonna challenge, I think.
And
Was in front to attack. Nasa likod, inuna sa likod si Laksina.
not a very good start. And the captain sends it long. First point belongs to Akari.
Nag-change it.
That is going to count. Cleanly delivered by Lorene Turing. Things, you know, walang coverage, the pass. Coaches see everything.
Nice receive, though.
That's outside.
Yes.
Bertolano got it to brush again. So it's Tubo. Jack Janela, the veteran. Cobb twisting in the air. The snap. Cobb. Soyud couldn't strike. Tubo with a bullet.
Nice save.
Cobb stretches. Block.
Team kung kaya nilang mag-adjust within the game.
Tubo.
Outside.
Missed it.
Check ball. Check
ball ang tawag.
Louis
Talking to team captain
Turing kasi nga.
Louis. Cobb. Soyud.
Nice
It's
check.
in the air. Tubo onto.
Oh!
Louis Romero on the drop ball.
Acrobatics na yung
She has contributed 13.
13 points?
Yeah.
Wow.
Diniin. And that is hijacked at the net. Victoria Savage. Bertolano. Reverse.
Wow.
Tubo. Lampas. Inside. Inside. Nakuha.
Wow. Did you see the back and Victoria? Kanina rin may mga missets sila in the previous.
Correct. Solid mag-serve yung Abellana.
Perfect.
Look at Janela.
Ayun.
Bertolano. This is in the air. Nazareno. Bertolano. Unable to contain it.
Why didn't the Foxy?
Kasi it looked like that hiwalayan talaga sila ng Akari. That's gonna work.
Kasali tayo.
Kasali ka.
Finally, perfect Foxies. Wala, nagkamali pa ng rotation to si Akari.
They lose 1 set point. Baka 6.5 points yun kasi 24 na yung isa.
1 point lang si Akari.
Nga. Si Akari, 1 point.
Oo, tapos 4 points, di ba? Tama ba yung math natin? Tama naman.
Oo, pag na-24 all lang, kaso lead by 2.
Oo.
Soltones, hello, alive. There's a whistle, it's 4 touches.
touches.
Here we go.
Nice.
Anybody's game na ito,
Yes.
feel it. That's inside. Domingo knocking it in that corner. Binasang buo eh. 4-0. Kasi sayang kasi yung second and third sa inyo eh. Pero you have to be in the moment. Right here, right now.
There, nasa-check na ng blockers ng Akari si Tubo eh.
No longer left uncontested. Every time she flies.
There you go.
She'll get that to the next.
Finally, na-frustrate na rin siya. And she was trying to make ways para makapuntos.
Dakis.
Wow!
Yes, sir! Vintage Dakis!
Full front line for Akari.
Laki,
Nga eh.
Bertolano. Dakis. Soltones. This one handled well. Delario. Tubo!
Si Tubo na shifting her.
Neatly done. Laksina. Hindi natamaan. Hindi naabot eh. The serve. Center of the defense. Quick. Yes, it will work. Cruz quietly making contributions here. Taking another step towards the next round. Bertolano has been punished in that back row. She wants this. Got it! Finally! Match point.
Tubo.
And Akari, after losing sets 2, 3, coming to life, taking the last 2.